What if I told you that one single minute a day could change your body, your posture, and even how confident you feel? No gym, no equipment, just 60 seconds of planking can change your entire habits. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what happens to your body if you plank every day for 1 minute, and why most people quit before they see the real benefits. Most people think planks are just about abs. Wrong. Your core is like the foundation of a house. If it's weak, everything above it suffers. Your back, your posture, your lifts, even how you walk. When you hold a plank, you activate deep muscles that act like a natural weight belt around your spine. That's why athletes, soldiers, and physical therapists all swear by it. And the best part? You don't need more than one focused minute. Now, let's understand what will be the benefits you will get doing planks every day for just 60 seconds. Benefit number 1, stronger, defined core. Within the first couple of weeks, something changes. Your abs feel tighter. Your midsection feels more controlled. That's because planks hit deep core muscles, obliques, lower back, glutes. Not just the six-pack muscles, but the ones that actually protect your spine. This is why people who plank regularly lift better, move better, and feel stronger overall. Benefit number 2, less back pain and better posture. If you sit a lot, desk job, phone scrolling, driving, daily planking trains your body to hold itself upright again. Stronger core equals less pressure on your lower back, less slouching, less stiffness. Many people notice reduced back pain, better posture, standing taller without trying. That alone is worth the minute. Benefit number 3, metabolism and fat loss support. Let's be clear, planks won't magically burn fat, but they do something smarter. They build and maintain muscle across your entire body, and muscle burns more calories even when you're resting. So that 1 minute plank, it slightly boosts your metabolism all day long. Small daily wins add up. Benefit number 4, balance, flexibility, and athletic feel. Ever notice how unstable you feel standing on one leg? That's not your legs, it's your core. Planking teaches your body how to stabilize itself. Over time, you'll notice better balance, better control during workouts, more flexibility in hamstrings, shoulders, and feet. You're strengthening and stretching at the same time. Efficiency at its best. Benefit number 5, mental toughness and mood. Let's be honest, that minute can feel brutal, and that's exactly why it works. Holding a plank trains your brain to stay calm under discomfort. That discipline carries over into workouts and life. Plus, planking releases tension stored in your shoulders and back, helping you feel more relaxed, more focused, less stressed. Strong body, strong mind. You have understood the benefits of doing plank for every day for 60 seconds. Now, you should know that how you can hold a correct plank position. A correct plank can change your life, but it takes time to master it. Correct plank takes practice, and it will be difficult from day 1 until you practice daily. Here is correct plank position to follow. First, get into a push-up position on the floor. Second, bend your elbows 90 degrees and rest your weight on your forearms for a forearm plank position. Third, keep your torso straight and rigid and form a straight line from head to toe with no sagging or bending. Fourth, relax your head, which is tight on pressure, and look at the floor. Fifth, hold the position for as long as you can. Sixth, remember to breathe by inhaling slowly and steadily. Seventh, when your form breaks, stop. You're only benefiting from planks when your form is good. Now here's the challenge. Plank for 60 seconds every day for 30 days. No skipping, no excuses. Comment day 1 when you start. Like the video if you're in, and subscribe for more simple habits that actually work.